good one. Shit, I gotta get down. That's alright, I'm coming in. Here, go around that way. Yeah, these are decent ones. I got a pretty good one.
Like that.
Shit. Come on, buddy. Yeah, don't let them get under that motor. They'll like to try to do that. I'm not going to pull us down right now. Yeah, keep them back on this side. No, you're good. That's perfect. Try to keep them both up here. Let's just try not to get them tangled up. Oh, I'm above you. Okay, you come back this way. I don't know why. They love this area. Once they tire out, I'll pull us down. Nice. If you want, you could just keep them in the water. Let me get this one in. I'll try to get 2 pictures. I'm going to pull us down. Oh, that was a bunch. This one's got some shoulders, man.
I saw it pull your eyes.
Come on, bro. Fight a little harder than a trout, right? Nope. Alright, I'm gonna bring him around. Maybe we could double net him. Try to get him up. No, he's not tired enough yet. Hold on. Let him wear out just for a second. Yeah, there we go. Alright, you got him? Sweet! Alright, let me get the hooks out and then we'll try to get a double picture.